Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, May 14th. This week we are out Keystone testing, so there are no live classes. And you guys have a pretty easy week. One test and one Achieve 3000 article. So the Independent Living Unit test is a review of what we did way back in Q3. So for you, down here in the resource folder, I have put a little review. It's a PowerPoint, so you can go through it and use it to prepare for your test, which isn't due until tomorrow, and of course you have until Sunday. So no live class, Independent Living Unit test, Independent Living Skills review down here in the resource folder, and then one Achieve 3000 article for the week. Have a great week. See you next week.